guys, what's up and welcome back to another magic tutorial. So in this video you're going to be learning a really nice and visual and amazing color change that you can do for Instagram, Facebook and stuff like that. And I think you guys are going to love it because it's really nice and looks really good in camera, and the only thing that stops it from doing it on the streets is the angle sensitivity. So if you get rid of that, you can do it with no problem at all. So I'm going to cover all the basics and everything, so please stick around and let's go. Alright guys, here's how that change is done. So I'm gonna be using these cards right over here. These are Indian playing cards and a really awesome deck. So let's go. So first of all, you have to take a shuffle. Doesn't really matter because you just have to pick a card. So the card is in this case the Jack of Spades. Alright, so now here's basically what you have to do. You have to control the card to the top of the deck with any method you want. So I've got a bunch of controls and you can watch that on a playlist up here somewhere and you can learn those. So those are really nice ways to control the cards and I think you guys are gonna love it. So you have the card right over here and you get a break, and then you can do a double undercut or something else to control the card to the top of the deck like that. Alright, so now once the card is on top, you're gonna do a double lift. So you can just get a break above the top two cards and you can do a double lift like that. In this case the card is the 8 of Hearts. Alright, so now here's the main part of the change. So first of all, you're gonna be holding the cards in the lateral palm position. I think it's called the lateral palm, I don't know, but you're gonna hold the cards like this, okay, so that they can see it. So now you're gonna be as casual as you can because you don't want to be stiff like that, because you want to be as smooth as you can. So just slide up the card like that, okay. So you are over here, you come over like that, and then you're gonna say that in this case the card is the 8 of Hearts, and you have just slit that card. So you have two cards over here, you hold them. So I'm gonna show you from this angle. So you peel off this card and you have their card left in your hand. Alright, so once you are here, you're gonna move on. So you have the card over here and the selection over here. You come over like that, okay, and I want you to keep the pinky off just so that I can see between these two fingers, and that's really convincing because they think that there's nothing between your fingers. And just loosen these fingers just a little bit, okay. Don't be like that, just loosen them because you don't want them to be stiff like that. Just loosen them just a little bit, come over like that, and then you sort of like drop the card and then you move your hand back, or you can do any magical gesture that you want. So I like to do this one. So take the card, come over here, and then you come slowly like that, and then you sort of like do this and the card changes, okay. So you can also do something like that. So you have the card over here and you sort of like come over and come back to change it. It looks really nice and amazing. So basically that's the change, guys, and I think you guys will like it and upload it into your Instagram and stuff because this is really nice for camera magic, and I hope you guys liked it. So I will see you guys on my next video. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.